Welcome guys, Cream Boss back again with another reaction video. Today we'll check out Castillo paid in full. Guys, I was just strolling through YouTube and I saw the thumbnail and I could swear that girl I thought in it was Cheyenne. Cheyenne from the dating show that Castillo did. And I was like, what the hell? I know that Castillo sings song, but I didn't even check out his song. So this is the first Castillo music video I'm gonna check out and hear how he actually sounds. But it's gonna be very interesting, bro. Cheyenne. Castillo did said she like Batman, right? Castillo, dude! Castillo, don't want to get his name mixed up.
Man was broke and I turned that round and now I'm paid in full. Gucci, Louis, Prada, Fendi, Trip, I'm paid in full. Come from ends with the baddest team.
Damn, his voice sound kind of like... Oh my god, it's been a long while since I last reacted to any UK drill, but his voice sound heavy as fuck. What did I expect that? That sound like a nice bounce, bruh. It have a nice bounce to it.
Man was broke and I turned that round and now I'm paid in full. Gucci, Louis, Prada, Fendi, Trip, I'm paid in full. Come through ends with the baddest team, she look all beautiful. Pretty face and the maddest back, but she won't turn me fool. Man was broke and I turned that round and now I'm paid in full. Gucci, Louis, Prada, Fendi,
yeah, we all know the story of Castillo. He was broke.
Pretty face and the maddest back, but she won't turn me fool. Man going on wicked, I feel that dripping. Grab her waist and I step that out, I chef that up in the kitchen. She got my Cuban swinging.
Oh,
Wine on it like a dancehall queen, Quincy girl going on rhythm.
dancehall queen. You know what's funny? He's singing about sex a lot. Cheyenne wouldn't like this Castillo. she said you were talking about sex too much. Yeah, yo, this sound kind of cool though, I'm not gonna lie.
Man come through to the local spots, fresh girl wanna act so friendly. Beat that up and I smash them parts.
Stormzy, he kind of remind me of Stormzy. His voice sound heavy.
Might keep her if she bring her friends, both that's two at a time. She like y'all and I like yo too, that request never decline.
Oh,
The hotel room, that sniper tearing up spines.
Sniper out on all digital platforms.
Man was broke and I turned that round and now I'm paid in full. Gucci, Louis, Prada, Fendi, Trip, I'm paid in full. Come through ends with the baddest thing, she look all beautiful. Pretty face, Sachi, Gucci living. Bro, to remind me of things I see him scratching and itching.
Yo, dude, this is so sick, bro. Honest to God.
Smashing past and I cut that off now.
What about tickers in I'm bed, dog? Him say him love the weight, he love the stones.
Monzo Metro banking naps, I'm busy checking amounts. Man was broke, now I'm paid in full like Mitch, every day I'm hustling. Them man for trying to sell man dreams, they talk but they ain't on nothing. All through ends with a gal with fights that's big and thick like dumpling.
Big and thick like dumpling.
Show me something. Man was broke and I turned that round and now I'm paid in full. Gucci, Louis, Prada, Fendi, Trip, I'm paid in full.
Man, I swear, they oh, is that good? Oh, this is crazy, bro. That is Cheyenne. That is actually Cheyenne, bro. Yeah, she does get a little feature in his video, bro.
Face and the maddest back, but she won't turn me fool. Man was broke and I turned that round and now I'm paid in full.
Dude, this is crazy, man. Castillo won, bro. Castillo won, bro. Honest to God. Oh, bitch, they didn't show, dude. I thought they kissed. Dude, that's like a nice cliffhanger right there, bro. Honest to God. That's crazy. Sniper out on all digital platforms. Alright guys, I'm gonna check out the next Castillo video because this was actually pretty good. I never know what his voice actually sound that intense.